Hi everybody. In this example, I have a short little database list of transactions, and I have over here a series of formulas that will add up what's in column E, those transactions that fit this date range. So based on column A here, anything between the 1st of January and the 8th of June of 2015, it will basically look for those transactions and add up what's here in column E, and that's where you see this number here for the total, this one for the count, and a number of other things. Now, the only problem with this is that it's nice to know that between that range, yeah, we did a little over $3,100, but I'd like to see which transactions those are. I mean, it's a pretty short list. I mean, it's easy to kind of pick them out here, but I want to see them kind of jump out at me. So what I want to end up doing here is getting something like this, where it will color code or color band here those rows that fit that particular criteria. All right, so here's how we're going to do this, just like we've been doing all along. First thing is we need to select this range, and that's going to be the range that we want this coloring to happen. All right, and then we're going to go to the Home tab, go to Conditional Formatting, and we're going to make our own new rule here. So we click onto that, and then over here, use a formula, and then we're going to type in the formula there. Now, here's how it's going to work. We're going to start out with the equal, of course, and we're going to type in A and D. Now, this is going to be, we're actually going to have two different, calculations going on here. One that's going to look for everything that's greater than this one here, and everything that's less than this one here, and only count that overlap. So it's going to be kind of like a between that we're kind of pulling off here. All right, so we start out with an equal and, left parenthesis, and we say, okay, starting with A2. So we click on the A2 here, and I'm going to hit the F4 key a couple times to get it so where that dollar symbol A is showing up. So that's in essence telling it to start here and kind of work its way down this column. And that dollar symbol, as you know from other videos that you've been watching, is letting it know that we want this whole row, not just this date here to be colored in, but also all the way across to the very end here, what we've got highlighted, see? And that's what we're using that dollar symbol for to do. We're going to say, starting with that, any date that's greater than or equal to the start date. So we click on that, and that's going to be full absolute. So it comes in that way. We want to leave it that way. So we hit our comma. So that's going to be the greater than part. Then we're going to go back to A2 again, click on that, F4, F4, dollar symbol A2, right? In this case, it's going to be less than or equal to, and then it's going to be the end date over there, and that's it. And then we close off that parenthesis, and now we have to tell it the formatting that we want, so we'll click on the format, and then we'll go ahead and go to the fill, and I think we'll go with this kind of goldish yellow there. So we'll click on that one there, hit OK, and that's it. And there's our formula. We hit OK now, and there we go, and that's it. So now later on, if we were to type in something like maybe if we wanted to go with the following year, I'll just go here, make this change real quick here, make that 2016, and we'll make this one also 2016, and there we go. There they are. That was pretty cool. So hopefully this will come in handy. I think it's a neat, simple little calculation that we can do to kind of bring out additional information, in your worksheet there. So appreciate you watching the video. Take care.